Hey there, welcome back. Todd Whatley, certified law attorney with Generations Legal Group. Ooh, we're going to get into it today. A lot of lawyers' retirement plans have been fully funded, cars bought, houses bought over this question. How does remarriage affect my estate plan? A lot. Okay, I'll just tell you, it's a lot. So, remarriage, late in life marriages, later in life marriages. His kids, her kids, his kids, her kids, whatever the situation is. You get married, you have kids, and your soon to be spouse has kids. That greatly complicates the estate plan. And I will just tell you, I rarely say this, but that is a situation where you really need a trust. Okay. Unless you absolutely keep everything separate, everything's in each spouse's name, and at their death, their assets go to their children, or you name an asset, only this asset goes to your spouse, and then it's there. It's just a trust really solves this issue. Okay. And it's the kids. Okay. Typically, what most people want to happen, it's a good second marriage. Everybody's on board, everybody's happy, life is wonderful. And so each spouse says, when I die, I want the other spouse to benefit from the things that I have. I want them to use their money, but they can also have access to mine. But then at my death, I want my assets to go to my children. Okay. And that just makes sense. But really, the only way you can do that well and make sure it's monitored and done well is with a trust. If you're truly interested in this, you have to seek the advice of an attorney who understands estate planning and ask about a Q-tip, QTIP, not the thing you clean your ears out with, but a Q-tip trust. Okay. And basically that says, look, yes, the spouse, they can use their money, but they also have access to this money. But once they die, this money goes to my kids. Okay. It's very clear cut, very done. It does complicate things. Now, if at your death you want everything to go to your kids, great. You can do that. Just make sure that everything's payable on death, or you create your trust. You have your trust with everything in it. And at your death, it goes to your kids. But again, you have to take active plans to make sure, because typically what happens, husband and wife, the husband dies, the spouse gets an interest, if not everything, that they're co-owner of. If they're co-owners, they get it. It's now theirs, and at their death, it goes to their kids. Come back for question number 39. That's about stepchildren, okay? And how do stepchildren inherit? And I'll go over that fully there, okay? But yes, a late in life marriage definitely complicates your estate plan, and you have to be very intentional with it. You have to sit down with an attorney who fully understands this. And I will tell you, know what you want to happen before you go see the attorney, or else you're going to have a second appointment, and typically that costs more money. So know what you want, kind of have an idea to say, hey, if I could wave a magic wand over this situation, here's what I would want to see happen when I die, and then when the second spouse dies. Okay. Have that plan. It doesn't matter how crazy it is, just have it in your, say, and agree with your spouse. Your spouse has to agree with this to say, yes, this is what we want to see happen. And take that to your estate planning attorney and say, here, make this happen. And that's their job, is to take your magic wand situation and put it into writing and make it work. Okay. So I guess the question was, how does it affect it? It just, trust me, it affects it a lot. And you need to know what you want to do and get that to the attorney and say, here's what I want you to make happen. All right. I would love to do that for you. Okay. I love taking those complicated situations and saying, okay, here, we can put this in writing. We can do this for you. So if you would like for us to do that, or if you have questions, give us a call, 479-601-4119. And you can go to our website, generationslegalgroup.com. There's a lot of good information there, a lot of blogs. All of these question videos will be there. And you can schedule an appointment. And please like and subscribe to these videos, whatever platform that you're seeing this on. Please like, subscribe, comment. Give us a comment. Ask us questions. Love that. And share. You know someone who could use this, please share it with them. Make my day. All right. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.